in this mission, we will study about the nature of roots. Of course, ang pag-uusapan natin dito ay yung sum and product ng ating mga roots. Okay? Now, just a short recap. So we have here b squared minus 4ac. It turns out na ito ay parte or portion ng ating quadratic formula. Nasa loob yan ng radicand o yung bahay. Okay? So, ang pangalan daw niyan ay discriminant. Okay? At yan yung ating previous lesson. Ngayon, alam naman natin kapag quadratic formula, we have two possible solutions, right? So, the roots 1, the positive side of the solution, we have negative b plus b squared minus 4ac, okay, over 2a. And on the other hand, also we have the roots 2 or the solution number 2. So, we have this formula. Okay, so just to emphasize, we have this two possible solutions. It can be positive or negative. And we have the root 1 and root 2. Okay, maybe that is x or what we call solution. As we continue our journey in this nature of roots, lipat lang muna natin saglit ha. Ayan. Okay, so basically, ang gagawin lang natin ay ipuprove natin yung mga formula na ipinakita ko sa inyo na nakaraang mission. So, we have the sum of the two roots and we have this formula. Of course, gamitin muna natin yung positive side ng ating root. Okay? So, kopyahin lang natin from the original formula. And the negative side, i-add natin yon. So, isulat lang natin b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And so we add them. Since we have the same denominator, we just copy the denominator and add the numerator. So yun ay isang batas kailangan sundin. Okay? So the negative side, of course, positive times negative, that is negative b. Positive times negative, that is negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And we simplify them. Tignan natin kung ano yung magkakamuka. May kamuka ito, no? Magkamuka sila. And we combine like terms, that is negative 2. Wait, yan. Ayusin natin ang ating line. Of course, that is negative 2b. And what about this one? What can you see is magkaiba sila ng kanilang sign. So we can cancel them. Okay, all over 2a. And we simplify the fraction 2 divided by 2, that is negative b over a. And that is the formula for the sum of the two roots. R sub 1 plus R sub 2 is negative b over a. Basically, ito ay makikita natin sa coefficient ng ating second term. Right? Okay, that is b. And as we... At ang balita, itong formula natin na negative b over a ay negation ng ating second term. Okay? That is the coefficient of b divided by a. Negation is just a negative sign. So, huwag kayong malito. And ang next na ipuprove natin, papatunayan natin yung product of roots. Yung formula na ginamit natin sa previous ay legit. Okay, R sub 1 times R sub 2, of course, we will copy, yes, the roots of 1 na nakalagay sa taas. And then, on the other hand, so of course, multiplication yan, we have the roots of 2, we just copy the negative side of our equation. And then, we simplify. Ang dami naman ito. So, ganito lang yan kadali. At huwag kayong malilito. Of course, first term muna, gamitin natin ng FOIL, ang pinakasikat na method, no? Negative b times negative b, that is b squared. Okay? The outer term, negative b times negative square root of b squared minus 4a, that is b. Okay? b squared minus 4ac. Pinagtabi ko lang sila ng bahay. And then yung, itong inner side natin, we have this one, negative b square root of b squared minus 4ac. And then yung last term natin, Ito, magugulat kayo. So, ang mangyayari pala dyan ay magiging negative, tapos may parenthesis b squared minus 4ac. Tinanggal natin yung bahay. Okay? And then yung denominator, just simply 2a times 2a. That is 4a squared. Okay? Now, we simplify. We combine like terms. Tignan natin kung mayroon ba. But before we proceed, guys, we just distribute the negative sign sa b squared minus 4ac. And then we have this one, negative b squared. Negative times negative 4ac, that is positive 4ac. Ganun kabilis yun, no? Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari ulit? Ano nangyari sa screen natin? Ayusin natin, guys. At ang gagawin natin dyan ay buburahin lang natin at papalitan natin ng sagot. Itong part na to. Okay? So, negative, of course, ulitin natin para legit. Negative times 4ac, that is positive 4ac. Ayan, naniniwala na kayo. Of course, dapat kayong maniwala dahil inulit ko. And ang gagawin natin dyan ay kukopihin lang natin yan kasi pinalitan na natin. Sinimplify kumbaga. So, b squared plus 4ac. Okay? Sana ay maniwala kayo. Next, ayan, simplify na natin to. Pwedeng makancel out yan dahil magkaiba sila ng sign. Ganun din to, guys, no? Magkaiba rin sila ng sign at magkamukha sila. Ang matitira dyan ay positive 4ac at sa iba pa ay 4a squared. And we simplify 4 divides 4, that would left us ac over a squared. And then we simplify, tinanggal natin yung a, ang matitira ay c over a. And that is the product of the two roots, c over a. Basically, yan ay makikita natin sa third term ng ating coefficient o yung constant term natin. And we have a situation here. Kailangan natin hanapin yung original equation with the given two roots. Tinuruan ko kayo last time kung paano hanapin yung original equation, pero bibigyan ko pa kayo ng isa pang technique para mahanap yan. So we have these two roots. Ang gagawin lang natin, ita-transfer natin sa kabila yung negative 3, magiging positive equals 0. In-equate lang natin silang dalawa sa 0. Okay? Then, as we can see, naka-equal sila sa 0. Then, pagtabihin lang natin yung dalawang yan. Tapos, i-equate natin ngayon sa 0. Now, si 2, ililipat natin sa katabi ng x. We have x plus 3 times 2x minus 1. Matitira yung 1 dyan, equals 0. And then, we will use the FOIL method. So, we have x times 2x, that is 2x, okay, 2x squared, outer, x times negative 1, we have negative x, 3 times 2x, that is 6x, 3 times negative 1, we have negative 3, equals 0, of course. So we have 2x squared, and then pagsamahin natin si negative x plus 6x, that is 5x minus 3 equals 0, and we have the original equation.